What if I told you that the next trillion-dollar opportunity isn't electric vehicles, social media, or even crypto? It's artificial intelligence. AI is transforming every industry from healthcare and finance to cybersecurity and robotics. And while many investors are chasing the obvious names, a few companies are quietly becoming the backbone of the AI revolution. Today, we'll break down 5 AI stocks that could potentially benefit the most from the AI boom over the next decade. Make sure to stay until the end because the final stock is one that many retail investors still underestimate. The AI market is expected to grow into a multi-trillion-dollar industry over the coming years. But here's the thing. Not every company mentioning AI will become a winner. The real opportunity lies in identifying the businesses that are providing the infrastructure, software, and computing power needed to make AI possible. Let's start with the king of AI. When people think of AI, one company immediately comes to mind: NVIDIA. NVIDIA's GPUs power most of the world's AI models, including the systems used by major technology companies. Every time a company trains a large AI model, chances are NVIDIA hardware is involved. The company has built an ecosystem that extends beyond chips. It offers software platforms, networking solutions, and AI development tools that make it difficult for competitors to catch up. Why investors like NVIDIA? Dominant market share in AI chips. Massive demand from cloud providers. Strong revenue growth. Industry-leading technology. The biggest risk: the stock has already experienced enormous growth, meaning expectations are extremely high. Still, many analysts believe AI adoption is only getting started. If NVIDIA supplies the engines, Microsoft provides the highway. Microsoft has invested heavily in AI and integrated it across its products. Think about it. Millions of businesses already use Microsoft products every day. Now those same customers are being introduced to AI tools through Microsoft 365, Azure Cloud, and AI assistants. This gives Microsoft a huge advantage. Instead of convincing customers to adopt a new platform, they're simply adding AI to products people already use. Reasons investors are bullish: massive cloud computing business, strong enterprise customer base, AI integration across products, diverse revenue streams. Many investors consider Microsoft one of the safest ways to gain exposure to AI. While NVIDIA currently dominates the tech headlines, AMD is rapidly emerging as a serious and formidable challenger in the global AI market. The company has been investing aggressively in high-performance AI accelerators and specialized data center chips to meet the demands of modern computing. As the global demand for AI computing power continues to explode, enterprise customers are actively looking for reliable alternatives to diversify their infrastructure. Why? Because relying on a single supplier can be prohibitively expensive and limits innovation. That is exactly where AMD comes into the picture. The company is strategically positioning itself as a viable second option, providing the necessary hardware foundation for the next generation of AI infrastructure. Key strengths include its rapidly growing data center business, highly competitive AI chips, expanding market share, and a proven, strong management team. AMD may not be the market leader today, but if global AI spending continues to rise, the company is set to benefit significantly. In the race for AI supremacy, having a strong second player ensures a healthier, more competitive future for the entire tech industry. Stock number 4. Palantir Technologies. Now let's move beyond hardware. Palantir is focused on helping organizations turn massive amounts of data into actionable decisions. Its AI-powered platforms are used by governments, defense agencies, and businesses. One reason investors are excited about Palantir is that it isn't just talking about AI, it is actively deploying AI solutions that customers are paying for. What makes Palantir interesting? Strong government contracts, growing commercial business, an AI-driven software platform, and increasing profitability. The stock can be volatile, but many investors believe Palantir could become one of the leading AI software companies. Stock number 5. Broadcom. The final stock is Broadcom. Unlike NVIDIA or Microsoft, Broadcom doesn't always receive the same level of attention. However, it plays a critical role in AI infrastructure. Broadcom supplies networking and connectivity technologies that help move enormous amounts of data inside AI data centers. Think of it this way: building AI isn't only about powerful chips. It's also about ensuring those chips can communicate efficiently, That's where Broadcom shines. Reasons investors are watching Broadcom: a strong AI networking business, exposure to data center growth, consistent profitability, and a growing enterprise software segment. As AI data centers expand worldwide, demand for networking technology could continue increasing. Key risks investors should know before investing in any AI stock. Remember this: AI is one of the hottest themes in the market. That means valuations can become stretched. Some risks include increased competition, slower AI adoption, economic downturns, regulatory challenges, market volatility. Never invest based solely on hype. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals and real revenue growth. The AI revolution is still in its early stages, and while nobody knows which company will be the biggest winner, these 5 stocks are among the most discussed names in the AI ecosystem: NVIDIA, Microsoft, AMD, Palantir, and Broadcom. Which AI stock are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more investing insights, stock analysis, and AI market updates, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.